Welcome to the Wolver channel where crypto legends are forged. This is not just another guide. This is your call to action, the moment you've been waiting for. No experience, no problem. If you have the drive, we have the path. Your token, your vision, your legacy starts right here, right now. From zero to crypto visionary, here's how you make it happen. Step 1. Ignite your journey. Remix.eth is your starting line. Go to remix.eth. This is where the magic begins. This is where you take your first step toward greatness. Step 2. Draft your token's manifesto, the blueprint of power. Create a new file, mytoken.sol. That .sol extension, that's your declaration of intent, your first move in the game of crypto. Step 3. Unleash the code, your weapon of choice. No contract? No hesitation. Telegram is your lifeline. Reach out now, and we'll arm you with the code you need to dominate. Step 4. Forge your token, the birth of something revolutionary. Load Remix. Select the sharpest Solidity compiler. Hit compile. That green checkmark, that's confirmation. You're on the right path. Step 5. Deploy to the blockchain. Your time is now. Connect your wallet, MetaMask, Trust Wallet, whatever you wield. Choose your network, Ethereum, BSC, Polygon, your battleground awaits. Set the gas fee like a strategist. Precision matters. Now make it real. Name it with purpose. Set the supply. Will you be scarce or abundant? Mint your symbol, something the market will remember. Deploy, watch, command. Final move, claim your place. You are the architect. Got that contract address? Add your token to your wallet. This is yours now. If you're ready to step up, do this. Like this video, let us know you're here to win. Subscribe and turn on notifications. Stay ahead of the curve. Share this guide. Bring others into the fight. Need the code? Act fast. Telegram us now. Get your contract, deploy it, and start building your future today. Your time is now. Build, innovate, lead. The blockchain is waiting. What will you create? The future belongs to those who take action. Will you be one of them?